way that you use the knowledge tracker is you've got some decision that you have made, and you would write that down, and you have an outcome that you've gotten. Think about it as like a hiring decision. We hired candidate A, and let's say that you have an outcome within 6 months, you wanted to part ways. Or you could think about the reverse, you hire candidate A and they turn out to be a superstar. If you're just kind of doing a postmortem, people will start to look at, well, we should have known that this candidate wasn't going to work out. Or some people will say, I knew it. I knew they weren't going to work out. So this is where this exercise becomes really helpful. Take the time to write down, well, what did we know before the decision? And those are going to be things like, well, we had their CV and they satisfied all the requirements that we needed for their experience. Now you've sort of got it laid out. Here's the things that we knew before the decision. Here are the things that we knew after the fact. And you can say to yourself, could we have known that beforehand? Then you look at what revealed itself after the fact and you ask yourself this simple question, could I have known beforehand? Now, sometimes the answer is going to be yes. And if the answer is yes, you can say, the first thing is, how can we include that information in future decisions? That's the most important thing, as opposed to the look back, say, how can we use that going forward? And then the second question, of course, is why did you miss it?
Great. The template encourages discussion among the team so that you can get to what those learnings are for future decisions. So I really love this knowledge tracker exercise.